I am going to style it a little bit. My UniWigs wig to kind of show you guys how I style my wig. I'm going to cut my ear tabs off that are too big. Everything is fitting well. I'm going to glue the wig down. But this one looks really smooth against the top of my head, so I'm just going to glue the sides down. And I'm going to add like a little bit of bangs and layers. I don't really like all one length on my hair. And that's all I'm going to do for layering for now. I'm going to clean up this part so I can show you guys kind of how natural you can make it. Now I'm going to set that concealer with my powder I just used for my concealer. And that is how I make my parting look a lot more natural. But that's it for me, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!